A very quick demo from our side. Basically, Vijay during his presentation was mentioning about risk compliance, where he was specifically mentioning a point that before issuance of certificates for TLS, they need to look at the domain is a valid domain, or whether it is rated with any malicious activities or things like that, a kind of check. So we in CDAC, this particular office is also having a center of excellence in DNS security, supported by Nixie and MATI. And we have developed a couple of tools for verifying the security of the domain names. So before registering, you can put this, use these tools to load the query, whichever is coming to asking you for a certificate, to load them and test the maliciousness or non-maliciousness of that. So this is coadnssecurity.in. This is actually available publicly. You can go to the website and you can check on tools and you can click on malicious domain maliciousness checker. So here you can type, Anup is typing malicious domain name. So basically this will tell you this thing. Actually this is basically AI based tool where we regularly, routinely scan millions of records, and we find out more than 60 plus attributes of a given domain and find out whether the given domain is malicious or not. But of course this is a AI based tool, so there is a background AI engine is running to find out whether a given domain is valid or not. So this is the result of it. This is a malicious domain which we have tested it. Similarly, you can put in your tools whatever the queries that are coming, request which is coming, that you can put it up. And specifically we also developed a typo squatting detection tool. So this is a tool which is to alert you. Basically, if there is a very famous domain like onlinesba.com, or there is a typo squatting which is happening of this particular thing, that will be hinting the administrator. So you have to double check whether, say for example, CDAC.in is there instead of CDAC C. B is given, cbac.in. So then there will be alerting saying that this was not, this is not a, just to be checked and things like that. So, for example, Nixie.in is an, Nixie everyone knows in India is an organization, but somebody tries to register as Nixie.in. It sounds same, so they are using a next this thing. So you can figure out what is the error which is showing here. So basically it shows that there is a vowel swap which has happened. So this is an alert message to the administration before registering. So you have to really check whether Nexi is an organization which is really existing or not. So like that, this tool is being used. So this is for only for typo squatting checking. The other one, maliciousness, is for checking the maliciousness data. So we use a number of inputs from Alexa and so many page ranking services, as well as the content, as well as we look at the domain registration, domain registrar's data, whether they have been previously involved in malicious activity or not. 60 plus attributes are categorized through a AI engine. So this is also basically a AI-based rule engine, but the previous one was a full-fledged AI system which has been there. So these two tools can be used for checking the validity of your domain name before you issue a certificate to them, TLS certificate. If there is anything suspicious, you can record it and you can just have a double check, ask for more documents from them, or maybe financial statements or something from them for more clarity to find out whether they are genuinely existing or not. So these tools are available in the coadnssecurity.in website that can be seen. So that's it from our side. Thanks to all of you. I now I give the stage to Mr. Subhash Rao from Digital Age. They just want to share something.